It is going to be the first of many trade recaps for this YouTube channel. Going to talk about my profits for the day, what I did right, what I did wrong, why I took the trades. So with that being said, let's dive in. Today was a fairly decent day, just a little over $8,000 in profit. This one kind of was a little bit of a revenge trade. I basically took a larger size with NAS100 and NAS100 opposed to US30. So US30, I basically took a loss out of the gates this morning. I took two lots and basically lost over $10,000. So, and I basically jumped in with bigger size for NAS100. Probably not the greatest trading on my end, but it worked out good. Because I was watching the market. I'm like, man, one of these are going to squeeze up hard today, and it just happened to be. The start looked like it was going to be US30, but then it turned out to be NAS100. So happy with everything for the most part. So 57 lots because the 50 lots was US dollar CAD from last night. So 50 lots on US dollar CAD last night, and then obviously two lots here on US 30, and then five lots on NAS 100, which gives you your 57 lots. So put this in Discord. Obviously, the Discord community is 100% free for those that want to join. It's 100% free for a great trading community for those that want to be part of. So let's talk about my US30 first, right? Let's talk about US30 first. With this one obviously was looking for a nice squeeze up. We were basically testing here this resistance level at 44,382. You can see that it basically hit here a couple times. She basically dropped and then she basically started to push up. I'm like, man, this one looks like it's going to squeeze up hard past this resistance and then this resistance. So basically for it to basically squeeze up towards these highs because it had been selling off for a while now. So I was looking for some sort of pop. So it did fill me at my signal of 44,381, and then it started to push up a little bit. I'm like, all right, here we go. We're gonna hit take profit one, take profit two, take profit three. But then she started dropping, and I basically needed to cut it off at this wick and this area of 44,319. So kind of broke some rules here. Should have stopped out much sooner. She dropped, but then she ended up pushing up, and then finally did hit our areas of take profit one, two, and three, basically pushed up like we wanted to do. So this move that it made right here is what we wanted when the market first opened, but didn't work that way. NAS 100, this one did kind of drop off, right? So the market opened, she basically opened, pulled back, and then that's when it started to ramp up. And we were looking, right? We had this little push up. So we were watching this resistance area here of 21,513, right? Because it came down, pushed up, dropped, consolidated, started pushing up, failed one, two, three times, dropped down, started to push up again. And that's where we're like, all right, let's get this break over this resistance. Have a nice little squeeze to the upside. Take profit one, two, three. When the market opened, it did pull back a little bit. That's when I stopped out of US 30 and this one started to ramp up again. That's when I told my team, the group, I'm going to jump in this one. I jumped in, squeezed up, take profit one, take profit two, take profit three. This candle opened, pushed up. When it pushed up, that's when I closed out the trade. And then that's when it dropped hard before it finally pushed up again and then selling off hard. So happy with it. Could have been better, right? Could have been a better day, but it is what it is. As everyone says, nobody goes broke taking profit. US 30, NAS 100, wish they did better right when the market opened. Obviously, it is December, so it's right around the holidays. Market's going to be iffy. Not a lot of people trading. So just going to take what the market gives me every single day, every single morning, every single day, Monday through Friday. I'm watching US 30, NAS 100, looking to make money on one of these. And then the rest of the day, watch Forex pairs, looking to make more money on the Forex pairs. That's all I'm doing day in and day out between trading from my computer or trading from my cell phone, part time and going the rest of my day throughout, whatever it is I got to do through the day, projects, life, whatever. But, trading, I'm not married to it. I'm not watching it, all day, every day. It's a skill, it's a tool that I utilize to make money, right? It's no different than people that go to the casino at nighttime and play blackjack or, poker, right? It's something have gotten good at. It's a skill that you've learned and then, you're using it as an extra source of income. So that's it for this video. Again, I'm going to start making more and more trade recaps, breakdowns for this channel. Hopefully you guys like them. Hopefully you learn from them. Feel free to ask questions. If you guys ask questions, I'll answer them. I always answer all the questions. Ask questions. I hope these trades make sense for you guys. I'll continue to put out really good quality video for you guys. No fluff. Videos that are actually going to help you learn and make money with this, right? So I don't want to, put out just videos that are going to waste your time or my time. I just want to put out really good quality videos that are, good for me to reflect back on, and then for you guys to basically learn from. Okay, I see why he was watching it here. I see why he took the buy. I see why he closed the trade, right? So, obviously I should have closed out US 30 much sooner, but then I knew with this wick, I'm like, this is like one of those things where it's like, this is like, the oh shit handle of a car, This is where it's like, I cannot let it drop. I should have closed out much sooner, but I was like, I absolutely cannot let it drop or hold this trade past this. And if I did, right, I would have lost a lot more money. So that's where like that was like, it's one of those things where it's like I should have really closed out of this trade. I should have closed out of this trade basically at like at least 44, 353. I let it go against you a little bit more. I was like, all right, now you're playing with fire. Cut it off. So, but anyways, that's it for this video. Please subscribe to the channel so you guys get updates on upcoming videos. Thank you.